Don't know how to create long, viral content? This powerful AI method will completely change your journey. This 65-hour-long video has generated more than 1.9 million views. Now just imagine, 65 hours means it would take almost 3 full days to watch this entire video from start to finish. And the shocking part? Even after being this long, it has millions of views. You can't even imagine how much money this creator has made. From just this one video alone, he has earned approximately $15,000 to $20,000. Now the question that must be coming into your mind is, what kind of videos are these that people are watching for hours and hours? Let me make it very clear. These are audiobooks. Audiobooks means converting a complete book into a video format with voice narration. This creator uploads only audiobook content on his channel, and that's his entire strategy. Look at this. One video has 25 million views and it's 10 hours long. Another video is 3 hours long. Here's a 42-minute short story audiobook, and there are multiple full-length audiobooks uploaded consistently. And this is not just one channel. There are many creators doing the same thing. Here's another example. This channel has long English audiobook videos with over 1 million views. They're uploading 1.5-hour videos again and again. And these creators are earning around $1,000 to $4,000 every single month. Now, let's understand what actually happens inside these videos. You might think these are highly edited or complicated, but no, it's extremely simple. On the screen, there is just a book cover image along with the title written on it. A small animation or effect is applied, and in the background, a voiceover is playing continuously. That's it. No complex editing, no heavy animations. Even other channels are doing exactly the same. Book cover, slight effects, and a voiceover. Now imagine this. If you learn this simple method, you can easily create your own 4 to 5 hour-long videos. And even if your video gets a small number of views, you can still earn a very strong income. Now, the first practical step, you need powerful book ideas. For that, you can analyze successful channels. Go to their videos, open their most popular ones, carefully study the titles, and deeply analyze what kind of topics are getting the most views. Yes, this process requires effort. You need to research, you need to stay consistent, and you need to put in the work. But to make things easier for you, I've already done the hard work. I've created ready-made prompts for you. Go to the video description and you'll find the idea generation prompt. Copy that prompt. Now go to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or any chatbot you like. Paste the prompt and press enter. Within seconds, you'll get 10 powerful audiobook ideas. Now, once you have your title, the next step is creating a long, powerful script of 4 to 5 hours. Normally, writing such a long script would take days of effort, but again, I've simplified everything for you. In the description, you'll find 2 script prompts. First, copy script prompt 1. Paste it into ChatGPT. Now, take one of your selected titles and place it inside the prompt where it says video title. Then press enter. Now watch the magic. Your script will start generating from the hook, then introduction, then multiple chapters, and finally a conclusion, just like a complete professional book. You'll get around 10 chapters. Each chapter is like a building block of your audiobook. Now we move to the next level. Copy script prompt 2. Paste it into ChatGPT. Now go back to your generated outline and copy the first chapter. Paste it inside the second prompt where it says chapter outline. Press enter. Now ChatGPT will generate a detailed professional script of around 8 to 10 minutes, almost 1,000 words, for just that one chapter. This is extremely powerful. Now repeat the same process for all remaining chapters, one by one. And when you finish all chapters, you'll have a complete long audiobook script ready, easily 1 to 2 hours or even longer depending on your expansion. Now it's time to convert your script into a powerful voiceover. You can use 2 amazing free tools. First, Google AI Studio. Open it and click on Generate Native Speech. Select Single Speaker Audio, paste your script, choose your preferred voice, click Run. Second, Clipchamp. Click on Create New Video. Go to Record and Create, then Text to Speech, paste your script, select a voice, go to Advanced Settings, slightly lower the pitch, slightly reduce the speed, save, and generate. And just like that, your professional-level voiceover will be ready. Now comes the visual part, creating your book cover. Go to Canva, search for book cover. You'll find multiple ready-made templates. Open any template you like and click Customize. Now replace the title with your own, adjust font style and size, add your hook lines, download images from Google based on your topic, use remove.bg to remove backgrounds, upload those images into Canva and place them properly. Once everything looks perfect, download your book cover. Now open any video editor. Carefully follow this step. First, add your background image, then place your book cover on top. Now add your voiceover. Make sure your visuals match the duration of your voiceover. Now add sound wave animation. Search on YouTube or Google for sound wave green screen. Download it and place it in your timeline. Use chroma key to remove the green background. Adjust its size and position. Now comes one of the most important parts, captions. Click on Auto Captions. Generate subtitles. All your spoken words will automatically appear as text. Now customize them. Change colors, apply presets, adjust position. Captions increase engagement massively, so don't skip this step. Now quickly create a high-converting thumbnail. Go back to Canva, upload your background, add your book cover, add title text in white, add hook line, insert a red shape under the heading for highlight, and your thumbnail is ready. If you follow this method step by step, you can easily create 5 to 10 hour-long videos and tap into a massive audience. And with consistency, you can build a strong income stream from YouTube. But always remember, success doesn't come overnight. It requires consistency, patience, and smart work. If you learned something valuable from this video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends.